We're going to find out today.
What's up, guys? I'm Brent Ridley.
And I'm Kathleen Ridley.
And this is a Miracle Mechanical Project. So we're excited to uplift another family here via a major plumbing, heating and air conditioning, or electrical repair. This time we're going to do some plumbing work. So she has a water heater that's a little bit insufficient for her family. So we're going to put her in a tankless water heater at no charge to her, and she's going to get unlimited hot water. However many showers they want, they got it. They also have an issue with a bathtub and a shower up top. So we're gonna put them in a new shower tub diverter so they can take a shower in a tub because they were reduced down to just one bathroom.
Family of 5 down to 1 bathroom. No, that is not acceptable. We're changing that today.
So yeah, it's gonna be exciting. Come along with us as we take care of another Miracle Mechanical project.
Up to this point right here, and then from this point you're gonna go down right there. That'll fall back kind of straight.
Do you need me to pull out the instruction manual,
I don't
sir?
need the instruction manual.
Daddy knows best, okay?
My name is Rebecca Davidson, and we moved into this house from Florida about 1.5 years ago. We love the house, but we know it needs a lot of work, and it's been a slow progress between the outside and the inside. Unfortunately, we started all over. I've been really, really ill, and I have not been able to work, and my husband is pulling the show together for everything. One of the things that we had to address right away was the plumbing issue. So the biggest problem I had was hot water in this house because we have a small hot water heater and there's 5 of us, and we have a business where we're running the washing machine all the time, so it's always running out of hot water and it's very uncomfortable. And I really needed that fixed, and I was fortunate enough to be just flipping through Facebook and find you guys, and I was like, yeah, you know what, I do need a miracle right now because everything is falling to pieces, and if I could just get one thing done, I would feel so much better. Plus, we're having some family come over for the summer, and having everybody in one shower is not working out.
All right, guys, so we're back with another Miracle Mechanical project, but here we got a huge deal. So this lady, she's got a large family. She's got
3 kids.
3 kids, and they're all young, so they take long showers and things like that. So she's running that hot water constantly. She's got a 40-gallon capacity water heater gas, and that thing just isn't enough for the whole family. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this thing, and we're gonna put it in a tankless water heater. That tankless water heater will give her infinite hot water, so she'll never run out, which is going to be great. So they can take multiple showers, do dishes and laundry and all that kind of good stuff. But what's cool is we're going to use Mega Press and Pro Press by Viega on this project. So this old copper gas line, we're going to get rid of it, and we'll run black iron.
Going.
And we'll do Mega Press with it. Then our copper up top, we'll get rid of these fittings here, and we'll do Pro Press on top of the water heater or going into the bottom of the new one and whatnot. So it's going to be great when we get done. So come along, let's take care of it.
We're back at it again.
It's like a little baby.
Get my sweat off a bit.
So it took about 4 plumbers to solve the problem, just in case y'all are wondering. Pro tip, always read the instructions.
You don't need this.
All right, so what he's doing here is we're tying in both the hot side and the cold side. The cold would also be the supply, so that's just the cold main water from the street that's gonna run into the hot water heater, and it's gonna heat the water and then push it out to the house. He's using Pro Press. Pro Press is approved up to 250 degrees, so it's gonna handle this application really, really well.
Sometime during COVID, I started getting sick, and nobody really wanted to go to the doctors. And so I was just trying to push through it until it got really, really bad. And long story short, turns out that I had a very rare tumor that was growing in my adrenal gland. And what that was doing was putting my body into a fight or flight chemical for a long time. And it took a long time to figure out where that I had the tumor, and then to get it removed. And then after getting it removed, I wound up with a whole host of other problems because this tumor aged my body. So I just had my right hip replaced, and I'll be doing my left hip in a couple of months. I have to have back surgery. I had to have surgery to repair the surgery that they did for me to take the tumor out. Also, the damage that the stuff did to my body really affected my muscles badly, and I had not been able to take a bath for over a year. And that being able to lay down in the bath is really one of the things that really helps me relax and my muscles and eases the pain. It's just been a lot of recovery, a lot of operations, a lot of recovery. And, you know, if I can make something nice happen for my family, I certainly want to try to make that happen.
Okay, so they got a 3-valve shower tub diverter here, and the middle diverter knob obviously has been stripped and all messed up. So we're going to replace the whole 3-valve setup here for them so they can use the tub in the shower. So this will be swapped out, and I'll show you on the back side how we'll be able to get to everything and make it nice for them.
Yeah.
Okay, so here is the back side of that diverter. Luckily, she's already got a access panel right here on the back, so we were able to just pull that off and we can get to everything right here on the back. It's got nice unions, we can pull it off, but if we need to cut anything, we can use the Viega Pro Press because it's here made out of copper, so it's pretty cool.
Nice. This Pro Press makes it so easy. Do you agree?
I so agree. I feel like you're coming for my job.
We're coming for your job, Chuck. This makes life so much easier. Cool.
That's sweet.
Did your math line up okay?
Everything lined up fine. Don't look at where the hole is in there.
I'm just messing with you.
I'm telling you, it's perfect. Typical employee, but typical son.
So what he's doing is he's actually prefabbing a couple of these joints so he doesn't have to fit the tool back in the corner. It's a great way to put press in. It's something that's a little bit harder to do with the solder system. Solder system, you have to have it all built together. With this, you can press a couple, put it where it needs to be, and you're good to go. You guys are gonna notice I kind of put myself in a tight spot right here, and I've already pressed that joint. You can rotate or make a press joint after you pressed it. So if I wanted to pull that out and get it to somewhere that's actually accessible, that's totally fine. Now I can come in and make that press. Once I've made that press, I can rotate that joint back to where it's supposed to be. It doesn't affect anything. The grip ring, separator, and sealing element dig into the pipe, and then the inside of the hub on the actual fitting is smooth, so it can rotate as a swing joint and not affect the internals.
Now we're cooking with oil
Yeah, but now how do we get
or grease. How does that go?
This is gas.
There you go.
Okay, so this is your new Navient tankless water heater. So you're gonna have unlimited hot water. So you can take a shower right after your sons. You can do laundry, you can do dishes, you can do all that stuff that you need to do.
That's like a lifesaver.
Yeah, I know you had a 40-gallon tank before, and I know you're probably running out all the time.
Yeah.
Especially with the kids, yes ma'am. So this will take care of it. You shouldn't have a problem with this one whatsoever. It should be a long life, you know, trouble-free for a long time.
For it. No, I'm excited. It has been a rough year.
No, I think this is going to be great for you guys. I really wanted to help you out with that, and I think it's going to be a huge upgrade.
I really appreciate it.
No,
you
no
have
problem,
no
Ms.
idea.
Peterson. We appreciate you letting us come in here and take care of this for you.
Thank you so much. We're really in a bad situation. We're starting all over again from scratch.
We're very happy to help.
It's like perfect because we really like to push that we have like the lifelines of buildings, so it's nice that we get to give that lifeline through the piping system and give you the
Yeah,
water.
we've had a couple of, as you can see, like little pinhole leaks. We've patched them up, but the hot water heater and the shower thing was like the biggest inconvenience for us. So now I could feel like I could have people over, and my kids can have friends over, and everybody can shower and do whatever they need to do.
Yeah, both bathrooms are operational, and now you have an endless supply of hot water, so you're good to go.
Thank you so much. It's going to be a lot smoother. So, like, if we all have to be someplace, we don't have to step our showers. Like, oh, you take a shower at night and you take a shower in the morning. So that's important, getting out the door, not having freezing water, especially in the winter. Is like, you know, you want to come home, it's 10 degrees outside, you want to take a hot shower or a hot bath, it would be nice to be able to do that.
So here we go. We got you. We put you in a new diverter here. So obviously you got your hot and your cold. But then also now, if you want to turn it to shower, now you got your shower. So that's what I was, wanted to change for you.
Yeah,
so
I couldn't get it to change, and so it was difficult to, take a bath.
Yeah, exactly. So now we got you doing tub, shower, both of the either one. Just change the diverter.
That was a tough one.
No, it was no problem. We're glad to help you, and I think that's going to be great for you. So you're not going to be fighting over one shower and all that kind of stuff.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
No problem. That's what we're here for.
Kids and people.
Yes, ma'am. That's what we're here for.
I cannot even. I mean, like I said, we're starting from scratch. I don't have any extra money to do things. So we were all just kind of sucking it up and working around it. But this makes my life a lot easier, and it's really going to be helpful for my health. So I appreciate that again. Thank you so much.
Okay, guys, so that's a wrap. I hope you had as much fun as we did taking care of this family. But I want to thank Viega for helping us out tremendously with this project. Without them, we would not have been able to do this. And we are uplifting families all over the place with all kind of sponsors, but Viega has a special spot in our heart.
Viga's been awesome. Viega is an amazing company. They make an amazing product, but more importantly, they have amazing people behind the brand, and they're making big differences. This is their second project, and we are so very grateful. Thank you so much, Viega.